Hi, this is your Red Pilgrim with a Reiki Healing Art meditation for philophobia. Philophobia is a fear of falling in love with anyone or a fear of any attachments. So, if you do not trust relationships and you have the fear of making friendships or falling in love, today's Reiki Healing Art meditation is focused on the energy to attract and bring in new love, new friends who are more compatible, who will trust you and bring in a healthy relationship. So let us begin the Reiki Healing Art meditation. Thank you so much for connecting with me. This is your Red Pilgrim wishing you all the best. Bye bye, and please do take care of yourself.